How's it going, guys? So today I have got an original Nintendo on the mat. Now, believe it or not, I do not have a Nintendo in my collection. Of everything you see behind me, I have just about every other system you can think of except the Nintendo.
You're a liar! You're a liar!
So now, I do play a lot of NES games, but I play them through emulation and things like that. But now, I have several NES games that I've been looking into wanting to repair, but I don't have any way to test them. So today, what I want to do is see if I can get this guy to where he'll play games. What I want is I'm going to order one of those Bitfunks replacement shells for this guy, the clear black, so that it'll match some of the other systems. I have my GameCube, my Super Nintendo, and my N64 all kind of matching. So I'd like to have this guy matching as well. I'll try to put on screen, if I haven't already, what the Bitfunks replacement shell looks like. I think Kip Hake's done one of those in a video as well. But today I want to get this thing. I think it works. I think it just needs to be clean. So we're going to take it apart, give this guy a really good clean, get it put back together, and then we're going to see if we can get it to play some games. So let's jump right into it. Okay, I think we just have 6 screws holding this thing together. We may have to take this off as well. I don't know. I don't know if it's 2 pieces or 1 piece, but in typical YouTube fashion, and also in typical YouTube fashion, I have forgotten to press record. So we're going to pick up right here where I had already started cleaning the pins from the 72 pin connector, and we'll jump right into it where I picked up at. Been a little while now. Let's oh yeah, a lot better. Now I want to set the board out of the way, and I want to focus on cleaning these pins. This guy doesn't really look all that bad, but let's get under the scope and we're going to see if we can get these pins lifted up. Okay, so these are the pins, and honestly they don't look too bad. So let me go down each one and see if I can get them lifted up. Well, that was pretty tedious, but I think I'm happy with the results. So, final cleaning. Let's bring our board back in. So, I believe, okay, that's the bottom. So this needs to slide on here like this. Okay. Feels good and snug. Now, real quick, off camera, let me clean off the old NES shell, and we'll put it back together and we're going to give it a test. All right, I think it's clean enough for now. So I think this should slide over this like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's get our bottom in here. Let me zoom out. That way you can kind of get a better view of what I'm doing. Okay, so we need to plug everything back in, which was, okay, yeah, it's going to go like this. So back over here, this one goes here. And just go like, yeah, like that. That looks better. think this one went here. Hope I don't have them reversed. It seems like it would make more sense. This one here and this one here. And then let's plug this back in. Okay, it feels good and snug. Then this should lay like that. Let's see if I can remember how this went in. Something like this. Yeah, that slid over that like that. Okay.
2 hours later.
This clip here, I believe that's got to slide under this. So, like that. Well, that makes a hell of a lot more sense. So nothing was wrong. I'm just an idiot.
What an idiot!
Okay.
Oh, what a loser!
Being outsmarted by an almost 50-year-old system. Now, before I get too much further, I'm going to go ahead and hook this thing up real quick and let's see what it does. Let's power it up. See what happens. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Check it out. Continue. Okay, somebody already had a game going on here. I've never been actually able to play this. Level 7. Okay. Oh, 2 of them are dead. That's not good. Not good at all. I think I'm about to get my ass kicked. All right. I now have a working NES. That's awesome. So let me finish putting this back together. It's just a few screws. But there's one more thing I would like to do before I call this finished. Now that I have a working system, there's been a game that I've had in my possession for quite some time, and it does not belong to me. It actually belongs to a viewer. How you doing, Alex? You might remember me helping Alex out on some of his Game Gear repairs. So one of the things that he sent along with the Game Gears, and if I remember right, it was a Mario Tennis game. He also sent along an NES game. And I don't know what's wrong with it, and I've never repaired an NES game before. Let's see if we can get that game repaired for Alex. So this is the game, RBI Baseball. And I actually had this game as a kid. So let's pop it in our newly working NES and see what it's doing. Okay. Looks like it's working. Okay, totally wasn't ready. Oh yeah. Base hit? Definitely a base hit. So I'm not real sure what was wrong with this, because it seems to be working pretty good right now. Come on, home run. Home run, home run, home run. Yeah. So according to Alex, he bought this from Lukey Games, and every time he would try and play it, it would just restart on him. So I guess what I'll do is, since we've got it out, I don't think he sent the screws with it. I hope he didn't, because if he did, that means I lost them. So let me give these pins a little clean. I'm pretty confident that with the nice little clean we just give it, and hopefully we didn't lose the screws. I hope we didn't. Hope that wasn't me. I don't think I've opened this yet. But if I did, Alex, sorry. If I didn't, I hope you haven't lost them either. So I'm very happy to be able to add an NES to my collection, but I'm not done with this thing. What I really want to do is I want to get this thing in a matching shell with my other systems, and I want to get like the that RF modulator that's on there. Looks like it needs a little bit of work. Maybe change out the capacitor, change out that MOSFET. A few known places of concern for these systems. Get it cleaned up, get it into the collection, and man, I'm ready to start adding some NES games to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I hope to see you again.